This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to split a single column of text into multiple columns in Excel. The main purpose of using text-to-column method is each column must have atomic values. If a single column contains multiple values separated by the delimiter in its cell, this method will help you. Using this method, you can separate the multiple values stored in a single cell. Select the cell or column that contains the text you want to split. Select data and go to text to columns. Fixed width separates the text that is being joined with space aligned with some certain width. It splits the text based on some specific character count. Fixed width does not offer to select any specific character to split the data. Instead of this, it takes space by default as a separation character. For example, I tried to use ruler to split text into columns. Select the destination in your worksheet, which is where you want the split data to appear. By using delimited feature, you can split the data that is joined together using comma, semicolon, or white space. Additionally, you can also specify any other character to split the data. For example, I check the other box and use hyphen to split, and after that specify a location to paste data. There are only a couple of formats that Excel can understand, and any other format needs to be converted into a valid format to be used in Excel. Suppose you have dates in the irregular format which are not in the valid Excel date format. Make sure no delimiter option is selected. In the column data format, select date and select the format you want. I choose YMD. Also, change the destination cell to the one where you want the result. While this is not something that may encounter often, but sometimes you may find useful fixing the numbers with trailing minus signs and making these numbers negative. Here are the steps to convert these trailing minuses into negative numbers. In the Advanced Text Import Setting dialog box, select the trailing minus for negative number option, click OK. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.